Hello everyone, welcome back to Roshni's Creamy Bakes. So today in this video we will see how to make the pinata cake. You can also call it as a surprise cake also. It is very popular and trending nowadays. So let's see how to make it. So here I have taken some dark chocolate in a bowl. You can also take the milk chocolate also. Now melt it in a microwave, or you can melt it by double boiler method also. So I have melted the chocolate in a microwave. And here I have taken a silicone mold. It is very easily available in the baking shops. Now pour the chocolate in a mold. The chocolate should be at room temperature. It should not be hot, otherwise at the time of the demolding the chocolate may break. And now spread the chocolate all over the mold, especially on the edges. And now remove the extra chocolate in a bowl. And also clean the sides of the mold with the help of a spoon or a spatula. So now keep this in fridge for 10 to 15 minutes till it sets. Now after 15 minutes the chocolate has set, it is not sticking. And now we will do the second coating of the chocolate. Now pour the chocolate in a mold. Again spread it on all the sides of the mold. You can also use a spoon or a spatula to spread the chocolate. This is the second coating of the chocolate. We have to do the 3 coatings of the chocolate. Now again keep this in fridge for 15 minutes. In the same way do the third coating also. Now we will release the chocolate from the sides first. Take out the chocolate very gently and carefully. Don't apply much pressure, otherwise the chocolate may break. So our first shell is ready. Keep it on plate and keep it in fridge. And now we will make the second shell. So pour the chocolate in a mold and spread it all over the mold. So our both the shells are ready. And now we will do the decoration part. For that here I have taken a cake board. Apply some melted chocolate in the middle. And place the first shell on the chocolate so that it sticks to it. And now here I am adding some chocolates in the shell. You can put anything in the shell. You can also make a small cake also and add some whipped cream over it. Or you can also put a gift for your loved ones and give them a surprise. Here I have added the choco pie also, and I am adding some gems also. This cake is specially for the kids. And now I am placing some chocolate cake pieces in it. Don't add too much of chocolates in cakes, otherwise it may break. Now here I am placing the second shell on it. And now apply the melted chocolate in the middle with the help of the brush so that both the shells stick to each other. And now immediately apply the ribbon on the melted chocolate so that it sticks to it. You can also stick some sprinklers on it. The decoration part depends on you in whatever way you want to decorate. And now here I am sticking some gems on it with the help of the melted chocolate. And I have placed some chocolates on the cake board, and I have also kept a hammer on the side of the cake board. You can also keep some flowers also for decoration. So our pinata surprise cake is ready, and now we will break this pinata cake with the help of the hammer. So make this pinata cake for your kids and surprise them. So if you like my video, then share it with your family and friends, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So I will see you soon again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.